I'm taking all requests right now. Hold on. Let me play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Hold on. Let me get back in my mood.
I gotta show JD how to do it right. Watch this, catch me. Allah.
Jacob. Saucy tail, what's the saucy? What utensils that? You gotta go in there and get the water.
Yeah. I'm doing it.
I did, so you can. What's wrong with you? Here you go. What's wrong with you?
Just don't get him talking because he make me have to edit past.
But he already. Not behind the pass. He's gonna lay oil over their heads. So I'm gonna beat the kids. So I know. He already cussed.
Let's go, baby.
You ain't a Bama boy, bro. You can't.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Zay.
You saw my $100 bill?
Nah, I already signed.
I didn't get you. You got him. My $100 bill. Come on. My $100 bill. He signed for me. That wasn't for me, Senor.
don't know. We're in LA. I'm just playing.
Hey, it's the pregame show with DNVR Bucks Live. RK, what's your pregame vibes, man?
Unreal. Honestly, the pregame vibes could not be better. The team has a little extra hop in their step. The unis are off the chain. It's all Bucks fans. It's going to be a good day.
I agree, man. I like the atmosphere. The team got to walk through here yesterday evening. The weather is crisp. It's going to get even better. I'm predicting a victory.
As am I. As am I. As am I.
Hey, so y'all stay tuned now for the post-game show live with DNVR Bucks and the pregame show.
We on the field.
This is the field.